Good afternoon everyone. So dito ulit kami. Staycation dito sa Panglao. Regents Panglao. Regents Resort Panglao. Ito yung aming room. We haven't been this side. Ayan, aming cute TV. Ayan, may cabinet tayo. May cute cabinet. Wait, mahal! Ayan, may cute cabinet kami. Ayan, sorry naman. It was not locked. Ayan. Medyo, ano dito ang aming room. A bit smaller. But it's still okay. No? It's a bit smaller. It's tiny bit smaller. So, ayan na may mini fridge kami. Ayan. May mini TV. Cute ang aming TV dito. Ang aking asawang mabait. Kumuha na ng tubig. Ayan. May kape tayo. It's alright, mahal. I think you can just... It's alright. I will open... So, yan. May kapo. Yan, may promo sila dito. Sa Shada Cafe. Yan, may promo sila sa kanilang dinner. So, punta naman tayo, guys, dito sa bath. Manalamin muna tayo. So, then, punta tayo dito sa... Wala, asan yung light? Ayun! So, yan yung shower. Tinesting na niya sa kanina. Nag-work naman lahat. Ayan, malinis. Malinis na malinis. At, ayan. Uy! One sec! Ayaw talaga mag-stay ah. It's not staying. The door. So, ayan, malinis guys. Sobrang linis naman ng floor. At lahat. Ayan, may ano tayo. May dental kit. So, Panglao Regents Park. Ayan, resort. So, hand soap. Sink. At saka ayan, may ano tayo. We can hang our clothes there. May cute, ano, ayan, mirror na kailangan kong tiptoe para makahabok. Medyo mataas. Anyway, ayun lang guys. Ayan, malinis din dito na wing. Hindi pa kami, it's our first time dito na wing. Marami kasi silang wings dito. And ito yung aming na, ito yung available sa amin ngayon. They're not really that busy. At ayan yung cafe. Shada Cafe. Ang sipag ni asawa ko. Ayan. Dito kami na side. Malapit kami sa cafe. No, I have no slippers. Give me the slippers, please. Ayan, labas tayo. Papakita ko sa inyo, guys. So, ayan. So, ayan yung Shada Cafe. Yan yung bagong renovated na cafe sa Panglao Regents. So, dito tayo. At ayan na yung highway dyan. Maraming ano dito. Maraming restaurants along this way. At saka resort. Ayan. Tour ko kayo guys. Maganda dito. Yan yung car park. May ano din dyan, may swimming pool din dyan na wing. So yun lang guys ang aking ayun din sila dito, ayan, may massage place doon sa baba sa may lobby area. So, yun lang guys. At maraming salamat sa panonood. I'm done. Finish na. Coming back. And thank you all for watching guys, and have a lovely afternoon to all of you. Mag-relax na kami kasi we were walking quite a long way to the beach. Pahinga na, pahinga, magpapahinga. Watch TV and hoy! Ayan lang guys. Ayan, thank you all for watching and bye-bye. So this is Liquid Garden Restaurant. Ayan, ang ganda ng kanilang restaurant. Ang ganda ng kanilang mga painting. And their space. You hold it first. It is really raining, huh? Ang ganda, oh. That's a really nice place there. They have lots of plants. Like pond, little pond. Yeah. Let's go. I'll take a video, a short video outside. Cute. And there it is. This is the place we had dinner for our anniversary. What's that? Vikings. Alona Vikings Lodge. So yun guys, walking back home. Back home. Walking back where we stay. So it was just a fan that yeah. And there it is. Ayan siya. Ayan. Nice. Yeah. Pawikan. Alona Pawikan. So yun lang guys. Lakad-lakad na mo ka. Pauwi na kami. Look, mahal, oh. There's a lot. Can you get one? Malunggay seeds. Yan, ang dami. Yeah, I've never seen a very big one before. Very big malunggay tree and lots of there's one, mahal, oh, on the bottom. Can you get it? Ayan, get it. So we can grow it at home. Yay! Ayan guys, meron na kami. Kakuha si Mahal. Para pang itanim namin sa bahay. May malunggay seeds na tayo guys. Ayan. Pabalik na kami sa hotel. Thank you, mahal. That was one. That was a good one. Good evening. Agi lang ni. Yellow Mango. Yellow Mango Resort. I thought this was Green Papaya. So they changed the name, no? And this one is a new one. Ayan guys, may bagong building dito. New building. Malapit na mag-open. So ayan guys. Look, mahal. I think it was raining. Okay. Yan lang muna guys. And thank you all for watching. Bye-bye.